Hello everyone, my name is Additi and today we are going to complete this tea coaster landscape painting. Before starting with this painting, I have done Persian blue background using little bit white tone in it. Now slowly we will start doing the outline for the painting. That is, whatever landscape you are seeing in front of you, just draw the outline roughly using your very pointed thin round brush. I'm doing outline for the stones which is thereby at the sides of the waterfall, and then I'm showing this outline for the river also. Once we're done with the outline, I am filling this stone with the Persian blue, and then we will add little bit of shades of the light color tone of the Persian blue. Same we will continue for the other side of the landscape, following the same colors. Wherever you are seeing the dark blue color, I have used the Persian blue, added little bit of white to give it the different tone or lighter tone of the Persian blue. Now let's see how I am going to use the fan brush to give the effect of the tree. Use the tip of your fan brush, dip it into the lighter green tone for the tree, and then use the tip of the fan brush on your canvas or here the tea coaster and apply the color in a circular motion as if it's a tree branches. I'm going till the top of my canvas and adding the different strokes and in different angles. Now here I am using the dry brush technique to show the sun rays in a different colors. To show these rays, I have used cobalt blue, added little bit of white in the cobalt blue, and then I have used lighter green shade, and I have completely used the dry brush. I have not added any kind of water in my color. Now let's add darker tone of the tree in the lighter shades. Same way we are doing the other side of the part here also. Now let's add tree part here using the dark brown tone step by step. Now at the end of this painting, I am going to add the river colors. The river color is basically Persian blue, cobalt blue and white. So we will start now. As you can see, I have started giving the strokes horizontally by taking cobalt blue on my brush, and then I am taking Persian blue to give a depth for this water from the sides. Don't forget to like my channel and subscribe, and if you like this video, do share it with your friends.